Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The desktop computer tower featured here represents a specific segment of the computing market that prioritizes functional value and modern aesthetics within a budget-conscious framework. At its core, this system is built around a standard tower chassis designed to accommodate a range of everyday computing needs while incorporating modern visual elements that distinguish it from traditional office hardware. It is priced at approximately $320, making it an accessible entry point for those who need a dedicated workstation without the steep investment required for cutting-edge flagship models. This machine is designed to provide a reliable platform for a variety of users, from students and office workers to home users who need a machine for media consumption and web browsing. By blending established hardware with modern storage solutions and networking standards, this tower attempts to offer a balanced computing experience that remains relevant for contemporary software demands. Looking closely at the build and design of this specific tower, it utilizes a classic mid-tower form factor which provides a balance between internal space for airflow and a footprint that fits comfortably on or under a standard desk. One of the most prominent design features is the inclusion of 3 integrated RGB fans. These are not merely decorative elements but serve a dual purpose within the system. Visually, the RGB lighting adds a modern flair with customizable colors and patterns that can transform a dull office space into a more vibrant environment. Functionally, these fans are essential for maintaining the internal temperature of the components. By positioning multiple fans throughout the case, the system can establish a consistent path for cool air to enter and warm air to be exhausted. This thermal management is critical for preventing the hardware from throttling during extended periods of use. The case itself features a clean layout with accessible ports on the exterior, including high-speed USB 3.0 connections for peripheral devices and an HDMI output for connecting to modern monitors and televisions. The choice of a tower design also allows for easier access to internal components compared to compact or all-in-one systems, which can be beneficial if there is a need for future maintenance or minor hardware adjustments. Performance is driven by the Intel Core i7-14700 processor. This is a quad-core chip with a base clock speed of 3.4 GHz. While this processor comes from an earlier generation of Intel architecture, it remains a capable workhorse for a wide variety of standard applications. It utilizes intelligent response technology, which is designed to accelerate the way the system handles frequently used files and programs. For tasks like word processing, spreadsheet management, and heavy web browsing, a quad-core i7 provides a level of responsiveness that remains relevant in today's software environment. This processor supports 8 threads through hyperthreading, which means it can handle multiple streams of data more efficiently than a basic dual-core processor. This is particularly important when running background tasks such as system updates or antivirus scans while trying to work on a primary document. The inclusion of 16 GB of DDR5 memory is another significant factor in how this machine performs. In an era where web browsers and multitasking can quickly consume available resources, having 16 GB allows the computer to keep multiple applications open simultaneously without significant slowdowns. It acts as a necessary buffer for the Windows 11 operating system, ensuring that the user experience remains fluid even when switching between a video call, a document, and several browser tabs. While DDR3 is an older standard for memory, having a higher capacity like 16 GB often compensates for the lower speed compared to newer memory types, especially in office and home productivity scenarios. Complementing the processor and memory is a 512 GB solid-state drive. The choice of a solid-state drive over a traditional hard disk drive is perhaps the most impactful performance feature for the average user. Unlike mechanical drives, which rely on spinning platters and moving heads, a solid-state drive uses flash memory to access data almost instantly. This results in significantly faster boot times for the Windows 11 operating system and near immediate loading of applications. A capacity of 512 GB offers a generous amount of storage for essential documents, media files, and software installations. It provides enough space for a comprehensive home office setup while maintaining the speed advantages that define modern computing. The lack of moving parts in the solid-state drive also means the system operates more quietly and is less susceptible to data loss from physical vibrations compared to older drive technologies. Connectivity is another area where this tower seeks to bridge the gap between older internal hardware and modern networking standards. The integration of Wi-Fi 6.0 is particularly noteworthy. This standard offers improved data transfer rates and better performance in environments with many connected devices compared to older Wi-Fi versions. This means that even if the computer is located far from a router, it can maintain a stable and fast connection for streaming and online collaboration. Along with the wireless capabilities, the presence of USB 3.0 and HDMI ports ensures that the tower is ready for a wide range of current peripherals, from high-resolution displays to external storage drives and input devices. The USB 3.0 ports specifically allow for much faster data transfer speeds when using external hard drives or thumb drives, which is essential for backing up large amounts of data or moving media files. The operating system choice of Windows 11 Home or Office provides a modern software environment that supports the latest security features and application compatibility. Windows 11 introduces a refreshed interface and better window management tools, which helps in staying organized during a busy workday. Because the hardware meets the necessary requirements for this operating system, users can benefit from the ongoing support and updates provided by the software developer. This is a crucial consideration for anyone looking for a system that will remain secure and functional for several years. When considering who this desktop is best suited for, it is important to look at the specific strengths of its configuration. This machine is an ideal candidate for students who need a reliable platform for research, writing, and attending virtual classes. The 16GB of RAM and the i7 processor provide more than enough power for educational software and multitasking across various learning platforms. It also serves as a strong choice for a home office or small business environment. For administrative tasks such as accounting, database management, and remote communication, the system offers a stable and predictable experience. Because it comes pre-installed with Windows 11, it is ready for the latest security updates and software features required in a professional setting. Furthermore, it appeals to users who want a computer that looks modern without needing top-tier gaming performance. The RGB lighting makes it a suitable choice for a home media center where it can be displayed as part of the decor. While it is not intended for high-end professional video editing or modern AAA gaming at maximum settings, it can handle casual gaming and light photo editing quite well. This makes it a versatile secondary computer for a household or a primary machine for a user whose needs are focused on productivity and communication. Another group that might find this tower useful are those who are looking to upgrade from a very old laptop or a sluggish budget desktop. The jump from a traditional hard drive to a 512GB solid-state drive, combined with the quad-core performance of the i7-14700 provides a noticeable difference in daily responsiveness. For someone used to waiting several minutes for their computer to start or for a web browser to open, the near-instant reaction of this system can be a significant improvement in quality of life. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6.0 also makes it a good fit for modern households with high-speed fiber internet. As more devices connect to a home network, the ability of Wi-Fi 6.0 to manage bandwidth more efficiently becomes a major advantage. This ensures that the desktop computer doesn't become a bottleneck for internet speeds, allowing for smooth high-definition video streaming and lag-free video conferencing. In a balanced closing thought, it is clear that this desktop computer tower occupies a unique niche in the current market. It combines a proven and reliable processor with updated storage and memory to provide a functional experience that exceeds what many might expect at this price point. While it does not feature the latest gaming graphics cards or the newest generation of processor architecture, it focuses on the components that matter most for daily productivity and reliability. The inclusion of a fast solid-state drive and ample RAM ensures that it can handle the demands of Windows 11 and modern web applications with ease. For a price of roughly $320, it represents a practical solution for anyone needing a capable desktop for work, study, or general home use. It is a machine designed for efficiency and value, providing a clear path to modern computing without the high cost associated with brand-new flagship systems. By integrating modern features like RGB fans and Wi-Fi 6.0, 0. It manages to feel contemporary while staying grounded in a hardware configuration that has been trusted for its stability over time. This makes it a dependable choice for those who prioritize a smooth and responsive experience for their everyday digital tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.